Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to review another Born Pretty product, which is the KunCat gel polish. And if you watched my video the last time, I actually unboxed all this gift from Born Pretty for me to review it for you guys. And the last video I did a review on the stamping plates. If you guys interested to watch that video, I'm gonna put that link in the description box, or I'm just gonna put it at the top right corner so you guys can click on that. There are 4 polish, which is white, mustard color, green and red. So my favorite is the mustard color because I'm wearing it right now and it's been a week and it still looks great on my nails. And so today I'm gonna do a nail art using this gel polish, and instead of using the stickers I'm gonna use a stamping plate. Surprise, surprise. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply 2 coats of that white polish and cure it for 60 seconds, which means I'm gonna apply the first coat first and cure it, and then the second coat. That's what I meant. I really love this polish. I mean, it's not supposed to look opaque or something. I think it's supposed to look sheer. So it's perfect for this nail art that I'm going to do. It's sort of a KunCat abstract. So I'm gonna apply that red color, sort of a dry brush technique, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply the mustard color as well. I did apply the green one, but I forget to film it. Oh well. And I'm gonna go ahead and take that gold stamping polish and apply it on that plate and pick up that image and stamp it on my nails. If you guys see my last video, you know that I've been struggling with the stamper, but surprisingly in this video I didn't struggle that much. Probably, I don't know, maybe because I practice with these stampers, so I managed to get it centered this time, so hooray. And after all that's done, I'm just gonna apply gel top coat and cure that for 60 seconds. And yeah, that's it. So what do you guys think? I know it's not a proper review. I mean, it's pot review and nail art. I feel that's a better way for me to show you guys this product on how it works. That's it for this video. If you guys like it, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you stop by, please do, and ring that notification bell so you know when I'm uploading a new video. I see you guys on my next. Bye.